Alright guys, well, certainly fucked that one up. So, yeah, didn't see this drop coming. Let's just take a look at what I see this morning. Okay, so obviously I marked this level here. We got this high, we got a break of the high, we got what looked like correctional move from here. Okay, so we got this move up late last night, 6 o'clock. Looks like a correction because it's one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, or two down, and then one up. We got this bullish candle, right? And on the 30-minute, what I was looking at, okay, was basically what I told you about in the video. All right, so what I could see was this low, okay, then the high, then the low, then the high, and you can see like the candle here had moved up, broken the 1 hour high, come down, tapped off this level, and moved up. So I actually went into profit, and then this is 7:30, and then London opened and just done that. So I don't know what London's problem is with gold today, but it certainly doesn't look like he wants to be buying any gold today. We do have NFP tomorrow, and not only that, we are still respecting this area here. Okay, so it may just be a case of me being too early. I'm yet to decide whether or not I'm going to trade again today, because my bias is bullish and it doesn't look like we're going to go bullish just yet. So the potential I would look at is maybe a little bit lower, 26.40. I mean that's one incredibly bearish candle. So if we look at the accumulation, that's the accumulation there, which is lower than this one. But we have got this kind of accumulation here. It looks like it wants to reject it. This is the New York Stock Exchange lows, which means that's yesterday's low, right? I mentioned this morning about the wick fill. Maybe I should have thought a bit more about that. Let's just mark off this high here. Where do we actually flip from? Yeah, so we didn't even come up to the daily open. We just flipped here. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so what maybe has happened then is I've got caught out in this wick being formed, maybe because we did come up on the 4 hour, came up roughly to the high here and then flipped down. So yeah, it is what it is. It's a loss. We move on. There's no point in crying about it. Just accept it, move on, and next time hopefully we get our profits back and a bit more. So yeah, first loss I've sent out this month. Not that is a big problem. We just wait, and next time we do the same thing and we let the numbers play out, play the long game, everyone. So yeah, first loss of the month.